Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents, and the way to enter them depends on the specific navigation which you've got applied. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device like that, and after releasing, here you've got the recents. I've accidentally shown you how to manually turn off the app. Simply swipe it up and this is how it works. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, simply tap on this charge button icon, just tap on it. We just got back to the home page. We've got also this information. We can of course enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.